Okay. She was being difficult.
My understanding is you said that when she asked you if you had any weapons in the car.
Any weapons in the vehicle?
Oh yes, like yes, definitely. No, that was after she ordered me out. Okay.
But you're reaching around and stuff like that, and you.
No. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, where we highlight a few clips of police interactions and police misconduct, with some educational pointers to keep you educated and prepared for your next police encounter. My name is Police Encounters, and my goal is to help educate the public about your rights and how to handle police interactions. As an American citizen, we are given the rights that protect us, and it is the police's duties to protect those rights given to us by the Constitution that they swore an oath to. With that being said, the channels we will be covering today are Coroners Laredo. Do be sure to check them out in the description below, because without them, there's no police encounters. And before we do get into our first video, go ahead and gently smash that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified. It is such a small and easy task for you, but it does help us out tremendously. With all that out the way, let's go ahead and cover our first clip.
So, is your wallet behind your seat?
Yes.
Okay. So you, sir, could you step out and grab your own wallet behind your seat? Step out of the vehicle.
Okay.
And grab your wallet behind your seat. What's wrong with the directions that I'm giving you? Is your wallet behind here?
Yeah.
Okay. Please grab your wallet so you can identify yourself. Any weapons in the vehicle?
Oh yes,
like
yes, definitely.
Like what?
Weapons.
Okay, like what? Sir, what kind of weapons are in the vehicle?
I have my license in the front.
Oh, so it's in the front now. Okay. Yeah. Is that your wallet? All right, let's step over here to my car, please. Is there a reason for two phones? Are you recording?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Doesn't matter if I'm recording.
I'd like an answer. You don't have anything
doesn't matter
from
what
Texas?
you like. No.
No?
I don't carry a license from Texas.
So you're driving without a license from Texas. That's another violation.
What violation?
Driving without a license? Is this a license?
Can you read?
Do you understand English?
Can you read?
I can read.
Okay.
Do you have anything provided from the state of Texas for you to be operating a motor vehicle
so you're
on
saying
public roadway? I'm not done.
You're
on
saying
public roadway for the state of Texas.
Let me talk.
I'm not done
Let
with
me
my
talk.
question.
You're saying I need a Texas driver's license to drive here.
Do you have one? Do you have one issued to you?
That's what I gave you. That's what I'm giving you.
I'm simply asking if you have one issued by the state of Texas.
I don't. That's what I use.
Okay. How many kids do you have in the vehicle?
Doesn't matter how many kids you have.
Okay. Is your date of birth? Is there a reason why you gave me this and not your Texas driver's license?
No, I have a Texas driver's license.
Okay.
That's all I'm answering now.
So where are you coming from?
It doesn't matter where I'm coming from.
2 phones necessary?
Yeah. For me, yes. Are you recording?
Right. Yeah, I'm on. That's on. Everything's on.
That's good.
Okay. Just stay here and don't move, okay? Thank you.
I mean,
no shoes on today, huh?
Huh?
No shoes on today, huh?
I usually carry shoes, but they were drying, so.
Yeah. I can't walk around barefooted.
Me neither. So,
I
but
got tender feet.
Me neither, but she wanted for me to get out. I don't know why. Okay, she was being difficult.
My understanding is you said that when she asked you if you had any weapons in the car.
Any weapons in the vehicle?
Oh yes, yes, definitely. No, that was after she ordered me out.
Okay.
So
But
she's
you're reaching around stuff like that, and you
No,
and
my-
you told
my-
her that there was tons of weapons in the car.
Any weapons in the vehicle?
Oh
Anything
yes,
like that?
yes, definitely.
Like what?
Weapons.
Okay, like what? Sir, what kind of weapons were in
I
the
have my
vehicle?
license in the front.
Oh, so it's in the front now. Okay.
Why are you being so sarcastic?
I'm asking
Why?
you. I'm
Why? Why do
clarifying.
you have to be like that?
Is that your wallet? All right, let's step over here to my car.
Tons of
Or
weapons.
what was the wording that you said?
So is she making stuff up now or what?
Everything's recorded, so it doesn't. You know what I mean? That's why you asked me why she was asking out of the car. That's the reason. That's the reason that was given. Okay, so what she's going to do, she's going to write you some tickets for the traffic violations, and you
Some
get
tickets?
on your way. Okay. Well, I don't know which ones. Okay. So that's what
I mean,
it's
she
about.
was following me since all the way over there. I wasn't committing any violations. I mean,
Yeah.
she just, I don't
Everything's
know.
on camera, so yeah, that's-
Hopefully.
Yeah. So what at the bottom? Of
I have my
the-
dash cam as well.
Yeah, perfect. So that's even better. So at the bottom of the
yeah,
ticket,
but now I have to go to court and fight.
Okay.
The
Well, that's
bullshit
your, yeah,
ticket.
that's your right, and no problem with that. So that's what I'm saying is at the bottom of the citation, there'll be the court, and you can contact them. You can provide them the cameras, all that kind of stuff. You can provide them the footage, whatever evidence that you want that you feel is contrary to what you think happened, and then that they can
What
figure
I
it out
believe,
from there.
okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Sure.
So
Why is she so afraid? Why does she need so many?
look, I'm not going to get in. She asked for a supervisor to come here. Listen.
I
to
never
me.
asked for a
Okay,
supervisor.
I didn't say you did. I said she did. I understand what you're doing. Okay, it's obvious to me. Right?
What's
you
obvious?
You say things to try to get under. It's not going to work. All right. So if you want to say that she's trying to be tough and all that stuff, I get it, dude. I know the game. All right. It's not
You
a
know the
big deal,
game,
right?
okay? So it's a game now.
I'm just telling you. I know what's going on. Right.
Okay.
So don't worry about it. We'll get you on your way here in just a second. Just hang tight for us. I actually told you
All right.
that you have every right to record. I haven't stopped you.
But why?
I'm fine with it. I'm recording.
But
You're
why do you
recording. I
need
think
to
it's
say
great.
I'm playing a game? It's not a game.
Right, because what you're doing is you're saying things about the officer. I don't know why she's become a cop and things like that.
She started lying.
What I'm telling you is those are all digs to get under skin of police officers. We understand that's a process that people do.
She started lying. You said she got me out because I said there were weapons, and I was already out when she asked me for weapons. So
if you have a complaint, then we can review that later. You're welcome to call up to the police department, file a complaint. They can look at the dash cam video, and if you have a disagreement on that, then that's how that goes. All right?
I know.
So what I'm saying is
I know how this works.
Huh?
I already know how this works.
Yeah, I know, and that's why I'm saying the things like that to get under the skin, it ain't gonna work.
I'm not trying to get under their skin. I mean, I'm just trying to be logic here.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good.
Yeah, and she has a serious issue.
Well, you're welcome to file a complaint. If you have a complaint, it'll all the information for you to contact will be on there, and you can go from there. Okay. We'll be happy to look at it. You don't think I will?
You will, but you won't be happy to look at it.
I'll look at it. I'll look at it. I promise. I'll look at it.
All right.
It doesn't hurt me, right? That's what we're all here about. It's all about.
It won't hurt you.
Okay. Do you want me to call you or something afterwards?
No.
Follow up with you?
Well, I don't know if I'm gonna make a complaint. I don't even live here. I'm just passing through.
All right. Where are you from?
Hey, what do you need over there?
Huh.
No. Hey, no, don't talk to him. Why is he asking for?
We'll get there.
I can explain that. So you don't have a driver's license.
Hey,
and
sir,
you
come
don't-
here.
Sir,
No le des.
how do you-
Sir.
I'm explaining why. Is
Sir.
your drink on? You don't have a valid driver's license.
I do. I just gave it to you.
It's expired.
I
This
just-
is not a Texas driver's license.
You don't need a Texas driver license to drive here.
So you don't have your
You don't
driver's
need.
license is
You
expired.
don't need a Texas driver's
Okay.
license.
So the reason why I'm asking
How are
to
you law
identify-
enforcement? You don't even know your laws. Oh my God. You need to retrain her. sir.
I hear you. All right. Can you just let her do her job, and then we'll get
That's
on
not
to
her job.
Okay.
That,
I'm not here to argue anything about what jobs are and what jobs aren't.
so you're gonna write citations on every Mexican that comes in here, or every Canadian that drives here that's allowed to drive here.
We write citations for people that break the law.
So I'm breaking the law.
That's what she's saying. She witnessed you break the law. That's the reason she stopped you.
She's saying I don't have a valid license. She has my license in her hand.
She says that your license is expired.
Have you looked at it?
I have not looked at it.
And
Look at it, all right? You do have a Texas driver's license, though, right?
I don't have a Texas driver's license.
Sure,
I don't have a. Who's saying?
The dispatch.
I presented that license, and that's the one I use.
Well, that's
This is only valid if you have a U.S. identification to go with it by itself.
You need to look at your transportation codes.
Licencia de conducir from Mexico. This is only valid with either
You need to retrain your Texas transportation
So I
codes.
need some identification. If not, he can't drive off on Texas roadway without a valid driver's license. I'd like to identify wife to see if she has a valid driver's license, so that way she can.
his driver's license through Texas is
Expired.
Expired. Is it not? Is it like suspended?
Let me. Do you have a phone number so that way the court can contact you?
No.
No? Okay. Okay, this is yours. Thank you. Okay. Court date is September 1st, anytime between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., okay? Citations, fail to signal within 100 feet, no driver's license, and expired driver's license. Okay?
You're ridiculous. You know that, right?
Sure.
Sure.
I've heard worse.
Sure.
I've heard worse. The sign is not an admission of guilt, just a promise that you'll take care of it with the court, okay? Any questions?
No, I'll handle you later on.
Okay. Do you recognize this as your...
I won't answer questions.
Okay. So let me give you your copy. You're free to go, okay? All the court information, address, phone number, website, email, if you need to contact the court, is in the back, okay? This is your copy. You have a better day, okay? Be safe.
Yes, this video is a little different, but it's one that we definitely have to cover. Just listen to how aggressive she comes off. Just because he doesn't have a license from Texas is a violation? So if you go out of state, you need to go get a new license just to drive in that state? What about that sounds correct? Nothing. Exactly. And the amount of irrelevant questions she's asking is ridiculous. Why does it matter how many kids he has in the car? They're not a part of this conversation or traffic stop. She doesn't need to know, and if she really wanted to, all she has to do is look. Then the second officer comes over, or should I say sergeant, telling him absolute lies. Like, you were reaching around and stuff like that, and tons of weapon are in the car. Yeah, right? That's definitely a lie. He never said that or did that. The lady officer then ends up writing him a few tickets. For what? Like, really, for what? So is it okay for an officer to lie now? I mean, it is all on camera. His license is expired because it's not a Texas license? What in the actual hell is wrong with this officer? And for the sergeant just to sit there and let this bullshit happen is ridiculous. He's literally just listening to what she's saying and says she's alright, just let her do her job. That is so wrong. This just shows you cops can do whatever they want. Just not right at all. Definitely abuse of power is all it is. Here's what happened next.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes.
Okay. Did you already send that to the court by any chance?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And it was valid that day of
Yeah.
the ticket?
Yeah, it was valid.
Okay. Okay, then don't worry about that ticket. We'll just put a dismissal in on that. And let me just make a note on here. And on the sell to signal intent to turn, are you challenging that ticket, or were you just
Yes,
trying to
yes. I haven't got any.
Challenge?
Yeah, I haven't got any evidence or anything.
Oh, okay. What we'll do is we'll put you on the discovery docket for that. Now, on the ticket itself, did you just feel like you did signal?
I did signal, yes.
Okay. Okay, what I'll do is we're gonna dismiss the driver's license ticket, the signal ticket. We're gonna put it on what's called the discovery docket. That's where you'll get the evidence. Basically, the prosecutor just has to get the video, pull it, make a copy for you. Now, my guess, because I'm about to be out, so we'll have a new prosecutor. But that person, when they watch the video, if they see that you signaled, they'll just go ahead and give you a call or shoot you an email. If you want, that just lets you know you don't need to show up. It's been dismissed, but you can still pick up the video. Like, they'll still make a copy of it. But yeah, do you want them to give you a call or anything? Or?
Yes.
Okay.
You can email me that, because I requested that through a public information request, and I didn't receive it.
Okay. What's a good email then?
At gmail.com.
Okay. Okay, now let me just put on here. Email video. And if the video is too big to email, what they can do is you can either pick it up from the court or they can mail it to you.
Okay.
But they'll go ahead and email you when that time comes,
okay.
Just in case. But I just know from the past when we tried to email stuff, it's
too big.
Yeah, works out about 5% of the time. So
okay.
But we can mail it to you. So.
Okay.
Okay, but so you're all set. They'll give you a discovery docket date. I wouldn't worry about necessarily taking off for that day, but you can for sure if you want. But hopefully the new prosecutor will contact you before then. So.
Okay, so I should be contacted by when? Do you have an ETA?
Tracy, you're muted. Sorry, I'm going to try to find out when the discovery docket.
Okay.
When is the discovery docket set?
We have one for the 20th of this month, but it might. I'm not.
Oh, those are closed. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So it might not be until January or February the next hearing.
Okay.
We'll email you the new notice either this afternoon or on Monday.
Okay. So, and it'll be that week that they'll contact you.
Okay.
So not too far out. So I mean, it seems far out, but compared to how we usually are, it's not too far out.
Right. Yeah. Understand.
So, yeah. Thanks. But I hope you have a good weekend and everything.
So do you have a good phone number for me?
Oh, what?
Oh, a phone number? Do you have a good one for me?
Yes.
Actually, yeah, I can add that to here too.
We have 210-999.
Right. Okay.
Is that right?
Was it 999 at the end?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So I put that in there too, and the new prosecutor will get my notes, so they'll know to email or call you. So.
Okay, so I will be getting an email regarding the DL dismissal, the citation.
Well, what I would do, because when I sign the dismissal, it has to go to the judge for approval.
Okay.
I don't see her rejecting it just because. Since, I just don't see that happening. So, one way you can check to see that the dismissal's gone through, because I never see the dismissals once it goes to the judge. One way is if you go online and you're acting like you're going to pay, like on the online web portal, it'll no longer show up on there. So that's one way you can find out. But another way, if you just contact the court, they'll be able to send you a copy. So.
Okay, and by when do you think I should call them for that?
I would give it probably a couple weeks, because I think the judge is out today. I'm going to go over there this afternoon to sign the dismissals, and I'd probably give the judge, oh gosh, probably sometime next week, and then probably the following week for the court to enter it into the system. So maybe like 2 weeks.
Okay.
You can try sooner, but it just might be stuck in the process between either the judge signing it or getting back to the court to be updated. So.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, thanks. Well, have a nice week.
Do you think it was right for this to happen to him? And do you think officers have too much power? Go ahead and let us know down in the comments below. That's going to be it for today's video. If you have a video you'd like us to review, please leave a message in the comments. If you'd enjoyed this video, hit the like and subscribe button. If you didn't, hit the dislike button. Be sure to check out the channels we watched today out, and give them a subscribe. Thank you for watching. Until next time, on Police